Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best boys' toys is probably one of the most exciting categories to explore when shopping for the young adventurers in your life, offering a vibrant spectrum of options designed to spark imagination, encourage active play, and foster crucial developmental skills in children aged 5 to 7 years old, ensuring hours of engaging fun and learning. Number 5. Dinosaur Projection Night Light. Transform any room into a dreamy landscape with this enchanting dinosaur and car projector. It creates gorgeous, novel, and charming visual effects that will surely impress. Experience a captivating light show with 16 adjustable colors and 360-degree rotation. You can choose a fixed color or watch them flash, perfect for any mood or occasion. Power it up easily with either 4AA batteries or a USB cable. This makes it incredibly convenient for use anywhere, from bedrooms to outdoor decorations. Crafted from safe, non-toxic materials, this light provides a soft, uniform, and flicker-free glow. It's designed to be gentle on children's eyes, making it a practical choice. Looking for a unique gift? This is an ideal present for birthdays, Christmas, or Easter. It's sure to be a hit with boys and girls aged 3 and up. For the clearest and brightest patterns, use it in a dark room against a white wall. Enjoy vivid dinosaur and car themes that spark imagination. What we like. This offers a magical, dreamy visual experience with its dinosaur and car projections. If you're looking for a unique gift that sparks imagination and creates a wonderful ambience for bedtime or parties, this is a fantastic choice. It's perfect for children who love dinosaurs and want a night light that's both functional and enchanting. What people say. The toy car is well made and durable, with smooth rolling wheels that make it easy to push around. The construction set includes a variety of colorful blocks that easily snap together, allowing for creative building. The puzzle features large, sturdy pieces that are perfect for small hands to manipulate and fit together. Number 4. Force One Scoot Hand-Operated Drone. Introducing the first and most loved hand-operated drone from Force One Scoot family. Simply toss it into the air and watch as vibrant LEDs light up this incredible flying toy with every flight. This beginner-friendly drone is equipped with smart motion sensors for obstacle avoidance. Use your hands to guide its flight, play catch, or catch it yourself when playtime is over. Its unique webbed shell design protects both hands and surroundings from the propellers. This also ensures the drone remains safe from damage as it flies indoors. This UFO drone is a fantastic beginner drone suitable for ages 8 and up. It's a great way to introduce STEM concepts in a fun and engaging way. Enjoy up to 8 minutes of flight time on a 50-minute charge. This hand-operated drone is designed for thrilling fun for the whole family. What we like. This is the ultimate hands-free flying toy that's incredibly easy to use, even for beginners. If you want a drone that you can play catch with indoors, is safe for walls and furniture, and provides a unique interactive experience, this is the one. It's perfect for kids and adults who are looking for a fun, active, and safe way to enjoy drone technology. What people say. The toy is well made and durable, with bright colors that attract children's attention. It encourages imaginative play and helps develop fine motor skills. The set includes various accessories that add to the play experience and offer multiple ways to interact with the toy. Number 3. Laradola Assembled Dinosaur Toys. Unleash your inner paleontologist with this exciting dinosaur construction set. It's perfect for little hands eager to build and play. You can assemble a T-Rex, Triceratops, and Velociraptor. It comes with everything you need, including a special electric drill for easy building. Once you've built your dinosaurs, you can take them apart and mix and match the pieces to create your very own unique hybrid dinosaurs. The fun never ends. This set is more than just fun, it helps you develop important skills like fine motor control and problem solving. It's a fantastic way to learn through hands-on play. Designed with safety in mind, these parts are made to last through countless building adventures. They have smooth edges and are perfect for repeated play. Looking for a gift that keeps on giving? This dinosaur building set provides hours of engaging fun and a sense of accomplishment with every model they build. What we like. This set provides an engaging, hands-on building experience that goes beyond just assembling. If your child loves dinosaurs and enjoys the satisfaction of building and taking things apart, this is an excellent STEM toy. It's ideal for developing fine motor skills and problem solving, offering hours of creative play as they build, rebuild, and invent their own dinosaur hybrids. What people say. The toy is designed with bright, engaging colors that capture a child's attention. It features multiple interactive buttons that trigger different sounds and light effects, keeping kids entertained. The construction is sturdy and durable, able to withstand rough play from young children. Number 2. Threeking 4WD Flip Stunt RC Car. Get ready for an exhilarating ride with this incredible remote control car. It's designed for non-stop action and endless fun for kids. Experience the thrill of double-sided driving and amazing flip stunts. With its versatile capabilities, it can handle various terrains and overcome obstacles with ease. Mastering cool stunts is a breeze with its intuitive 2-button controller. Even beginners can perform impressive maneuvers and enjoy hours of playtime. Discover its unique auto demo feature, allowing the car to perform exciting moves on its own. It's perfect for hands-free enjoyment and instant fun for everyone. Take the adventure anywhere. Its powerful motors and durable rubber tires ensure a smooth ride on various surfaces, from carpets to sandy beaches. Be captivated by its unique breathing lights that are soft and safe for children's eyes. They add a cool visual element and help you easily identify the car's direction. Crafted with high-quality, durable materials, this car is built to withstand energetic play. Enjoy longer playtime and a more robust performance compared to other models. What we like. This RC car offers non-stop action with its ability to drive on both sides and perform amazing stunts. If you're looking for a durable, exciting remote control car that's easy for kids to operate and provides extended playtime, this is a great pick. It's perfect for children who love high-energy play, enjoy watching impressive stunts, and want a car that can handle various terrains. What people say. The toy is very engaging and kept my child entertained for hours. It's well made and durable, perfect for active play. The educational aspect of the toy is fantastic, promoting problem-solving skills. Number 1. Goopow Kids Camera Toys. Looking for the ideal gift for children aged 3 to 8? This upgraded digital camera is designed with them in mind, offering a fun and safe way to capture memories. It's perfect for birthdays, holidays, or just because. This toy video camera boasts significantly improved photo definition compared to others on the market. It can record videos in up to 1080p and features an 8x digital zoom, ensuring those wonderful moments are kept clear for your boys or girls. This upgraded camera isn't just for taking pictures and videos. It also includes fun puzzle games, some even motion-controlled, and 28 scene selections for photos. They can easily download their creations to share with family and friends. With a built-in rechargeable battery, it offers hours of continuous use. It supports up to 32 GB SD cards, and it's incredibly simple for children to operate. Just turn it on and let the fun begin. This camera is incredibly lightweight and compact, making it easy for kids to carry around. It comes with a lanyard so they can wear it around their neck, encouraging them to explore and capture the beauty of nature. We're here to help if you encounter any issues. Please don't hesitate to contact us anytime for support. What we like. This is a fantastic way to introduce young children to the world of photography and videography. If your child is curious about capturing their own memories or enjoys playing simple games, this camera is a perfect fit. Its durable, kid-friendly design and included SD card make it an ideal gift for encouraging creativity and exploration, allowing them to document their adventures. What people say. The toy car is made of durable plastic and has realistic details, including opening doors and working headlights. The remote control is easy for small hands to operate, and the car has a good range, allowing for play both indoors and outdoors. It comes with a rechargeable battery, which is convenient and saves money on disposable batteries. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.